Hi there guys, it's Mark Gossage here of bestbonusking.com. Welcome to my CB Income Bot review. Now I'm here in the cloud-based area, but before we go through it all and I explain what CB Income Bot is all about, I'd like to take you straight on over to the best CB Income Bot bonus page on the planet. Okay, it's as easy as clicking on that very first link right below the video over there. If you're on YouTube, just click on that link and what will happen, transport you straight over to my massive bonus page. It tells you a little bit about CB Income Bot, what it does, you know, its benefits, things like that, all the upsells, pricing, what you're going to get with your one-time offers, and then it shows you the bonuses. My first bonus, well, CB ClickBank, you need to know all about it. So I've included my massive bonus here. It's going to teach you all about ClickBank, how to get traffic to ClickBank offers, things like that. So if you want to master ClickBank, you're going to need these powerful Google strategies. It's going to show you how to make a lot of money online. It's going to make it easier for you to get started, get up and running, and to start putting that money where it belongs, or those commissions where they belong, and that's right in your pocket. Now you're going to need even more traffic, so I'm giving you my sort of cheat sheets of traffic. And what this is, it's fast condensed traffic generation. There's no reading ebooks, there's no watching hours and hours of videos. It's just straight to the point. Do this, do that, fill that in, send it there. Okay, easy as that. It just goes through it. It gives you several different sources very fast. It's like injecting the knowledge on how to get a load of traffic straight into your bloodstream and acting on it. It really, really is. So there's that bonus as well. We've then got this one here that's going to show you how to generate even more traffic using fast generation techniques. It's going to get you the maximum traffic. This really is going to put all the traffic where it belongs, on your website. Okay, simple as that, really is. Then the next one, if traffic isn't enough, I'm also going to show you how you can get images to rank on Google. So when people do an image search, your image pops up, and when they click on it, they go to your website. That means you've got targeted traffic and the eyes coming straight onto your site. And if they make a purchase, you get paid that commission. Okay, simple as that. Get some royalty-free images, you know, edit them, make them yours, and get them ranking on Google image search. It's as simple as that. I've got the backdoor bonuses there, tells you all of them here. As I scroll down, I'm not going to go through and read them all out, guys. They are here, and it's as easy as clicking on that first link right down below the video if you're on YouTube, coming over to my bonus page, scroll down and you'll see them here. Okay, there's also, you can click here. I know it doesn't look like you can, but you can click there and I'll click on it to show you, and it'll show you even more bonuses I've managed to get you there. Okay, there's 100, it's saying premium bonus bundle there. I haven't counted them, they are numbered. Let's get to the bottom. Yep, there's 100. You can go through those, have a look at those. As I say, it's as easy as clicking on that link there. It says click here to check out the 100 vendor bonus page. Click on that and it'll take you to that page. Okay, you'll be getting those, and you'll get more vendor bonuses as below here. Okay, and that, as it says here, you get the lot. As long as I get credited with the sale of ClickBank Income Bot. Okay, CB Income Bot, even just the front end. How do you get to the sales page? It's easy. Click on any of the yellow buttons on the bonus page, come straight on over to the sales page where you can lock it in at the lowest price. This is a sales page here, rather long, goes through it all, explaining what it's about, what it can do for you, how it's simple, few steps and you're done. It's going to let you unlock the potential of promoting ClickBank products easily. It includes hosting, like a WordPress website and everything. It tells you about all this as well. Okay, go through it. It'll tell you 2 million plus pre-made articles with PLR license. Okay, you won't need to sort of write articles or hire, it's all here. Okay, just select the articles and use them. Fully automated software is included. Easy to use, fast implementation to implement it. Click and earn, it's saying put your income on 100% automation. Free hosting and domain included. click and earn, put your income on automation, works on any devices. It's going to work on your smartphone, on your PC, your Windows, things like that. Okay, get unique and high quality content. You won't be spending hours having to write it up, think about what to put. The content self-updates, monetize it by adding the widgets. You can put banners on, side banners, popovers, things like that. Fully optimized SEO site for first page rankings and 100% automated sites that you can build. You've got that inbuilt opt-in form, so it's all super simple. 4 figures per day training and a variety of templates you can use to make the site yours. Okay, so it's for people that really want a little WordPress website to pull in ClickBank products and offer them out. Okay, that's what it's all about. There's more bonuses here on there, so you'll be getting those as well. And it explains here what you're going to get. It's all at a super low price, really is. Now, people are going to tell me, yeah, I could buy hosting. You could. Yep, I could go out and buy a domain name. Yes, you can. I could go and get content and rewrite it and spend all week rewriting it. Yes, you could. And you could create opt-in forms and you could do all of that. Okay. This is CB Income Bot. It puts it all under one dashboard. It makes it a lot easier and it's a lot lower on the pricing, as you'll see when we go back over to my bonus page to have a look at the pricing. So it's up to you guys. Maybe you've tried hosting, adding a domain, installing WordPress, and then trying to make a nice site, okay? And you might have gone, well, this is too hard, I'll give up. Well, CB Income Bot, it sorts all that out for you, okay? So let's have a quick look. This is the cloud-based app. This is where it's all at. It's all laid out easy. You're given a URL here to promote. Now, that looks ugly to me. I don't like the name of it, CB Bot. If I was saying I'm promoting this or come and have a look, CB Bot, I'd be a bit worried. So I would use a URL shortener, okay, and make it a nice name on there so it sounds nice, okay, and when they click on it, it takes them to that link there. Now I'm going to copy that link, or I could have just previewed it there, couldn't I? Let's click preview. It shows you rushing through. Now if you do it right, you've got a pop over here that could come up, or if you've already got that there, there's no need. You don't want to come in like that, looks ugly, but you got your opt-in there, get a free PDF, it's free. You need to word it better than that, guys. This has just been put together quickly to try and explain it to you, okay? Your name here, your email here, claim here, and all that, okay? So you've got that opt-in on your WordPress site, near enough straight away, just add your autoresponder in there. You've then got all the reviews here that you can pull in from ClickBank. If you get your images right, they will come in. It's showing a broken link, but they do work. And then read more. You click on that and it'll take you to the page there. Okay, let's just open that in a new tab, see if it's done. And it comes over to even more there. Okay, as I say, I'm not sure about the 2 opt-ins. I think the one's enough. But once this is laid out, it'd be really nice. This gone through, thrown together just to try and give you guys a rough idea what you're going to get, and you just list more and more products there. For me, I'd keep them all niche orientated, but it's up to you, okay? Internet marketing software, affiliate, it's got it all there. You can add more tags up here and things like that. Now let's get back into the app. It shows you how many visitors there's been, how many people have clicked, how many leads you've got, and total syndications. Down here you got settings where you can do everything there. So general, you can do an author bio, about yourself. Believe me, a lot of people go to that page. So if you put up a nice bio about yourself, what you're about, how these products have benefited you if you've used them, how they'll benefit, people, everything, okay, and why you're doing it, things like that. If you can do a nice bio, it's going to make it simple. Your affiliate ID, you put it in there, or your ClickBank hot link. Your social links, you can link to the social media. MailChimp, you can put your autoresponder MailChimp. I think I'm sure they're putting more autoresponder sort of, in there so that you can connect them up. But MailChimp's at the moment, custom scripts, there you go, and a footer if you want to put things in the footer. You've got leads here, where it brings leads in with emails and everything that you can export. Not sure how that works. What's happened is there is training, but they haven't uploaded it yet, so haven't had a chance to see the training. Offers, it goes to ClickBank, it pulls them all out here, and you just get all there, okay? Sort all that out. Bonuses, you can do your bonuses here to entice people to buy. Opt-in form, sorted out here, as it says slide in, sidebar. For me, the slide in one's a bit much with the sidebar, so I'd have one or the other. I wouldn't have both. I'd go for one, but it's up to you. It's your site, it's up to you. Banners, you fill in your banners, you can have them in the header, you can have them at the side, before each review, it says after each review, click before and they'll go in before each review, after the review it'll go in after each review, or in the footer, okay, all there so you can position your banners, people click on them, you can be making money. You can even sell that advertising space if you want to people. Say, hey, do you want to advertise on my site? X amount per week or per month, you know, give me your banner and I'll put it on my site. So that is up to you. Widgets, you can add your widgets there, about you, disclaimer. You need a disclaimer and everything to make it legal, you know, all the paraphernalia like that. Your contact details, featured offers and things as support if you need support, and training at the bottom there. But as I say, training, they haven't uploaded it yet, which is a shame. I wanted to go through it and see, you know, it gives you more of an idea. But that is CB Income Bot, all about ClickBank, you know, things like that. So all there for you, or waiting there. With that being said, as I say, first link below, if you're on YouTube, click on that. Coming over to the best CB Income Bot bonus page on the planet, and it'll tell you a bit more about it here. How there's 2 million plus pre-made review articles for you, fully automated ClickBank review site. It's newbie friendly, easy to use, and it is easy to use from what I've seen. Start making money. We've done for you reviews in minutes. Well, you can do once you know what you're doing. I'd say it'll take a few hours to set up and get used to first. Unique content, everything's done for you in that way. Free traffic from Google and social media. Sounds a bit simpler than it is. That's why I put my bonuses in to help you get that traffic, because it won't rank on Google, you know, for the weeks and months, may not rank on Google. You know, it's competitive. It's easy to say free traffic, but that's if it gets there. Social media, hit and miss again. Have you got a social media account? You know, have you got the right people on there? You may have, you might not have. So don't worry about that. As I say, my bonuses will cover traffic. They'll go through it. They'll explain what to do, how to do, you know, everything in there. Free hosting and domain included. Well, free hosting, that domain, I don't like it really, you know, the name of it, you know, CB bot. It sounds like they're going to get, you know, a bot on them or something. So, as I said, I would use something like Tiny URL, or even a nice URL shortener where you can put in a nice little name, you know, think, oh, yeah, you know, so that it sounds nice. When people click on it, that's the link they go to, but you've covered it with that. You've mashed it, okay? And it's saying, click and earn, put your income on 100% automation. Once you've got all those reviews in, okay, as many as you want, 1, 5, 10, 50. Once you've got them in there, send the traffic, and that is all you need to do, okay? And people will either purchase or they won't, depending on how you've set your site up. Is it enticing? Does it encourage, you know, people to click? Things like that. So all down to that. People that get it right are going to make money with it, okay? So simple as that. People that don't bother, or, you know, just throw it together, probably aren't going to make much, if anything at all. How do you get it? Any of the yellow buttons, simply click on those. I'll take you over to that sales page where you can lock it in at the lowest price, which is $17. Downsell $12. A popover comes over when you get to leave the page, okay, on the sales page, $12. So, you know, if you want to go and price hosting up, have a look. So people, as I say, when they say, oh, I could, you know, yeah, you can go and pay hosting. How much? $100 a year, I don't know, $50. It depends on what hosting you're buying and things like that. Domain name, you know, 10 or 20, I think around $10 or $15 a year. And then it's $12. You know, it's like, it's less than a year's hosting. Well, it's around the price of a domain name. It's not even the price of hosting. So you get all the main features it's saying there. If you want the unlimited version, it's here, okay? Create unlimited campaigns, generate unlimited leads. So if you want to get, all those emails, loads of them, $32, that is a downsell. You've got the done for you templates, which is an upsell at 57. Income automator at 77. Done for you setup. Oh, I'm not sure if I'll get round to it. Oh, I never get things done. It's there, okay? Done for you, 247. They'll set it up for you. Limitless traffic, $37. Fortune 500 profit, where you get 500 of their money-making products, $37. Reseller rights, if you want to sell this to your clients or, as you know, to people and get the commissions, $147. A bit much for me. I would leave that one out. I'll be truthful, I wouldn't touch that personally unless you've got a massive email list already, or you've already got a way of promoting, okay? If you haven't, a bit much, I think, for this product. As I say, all these bonuses, you're going to get all of those, all these bonuses here. The vendor says he'll give you these 100 bonuses as well. If you click on that, he'll show you. So there's a lot of product, a lot of bonuses. And if you want to promote ClickBank products, this is a great way to start, okay? I'm not saying stay with this for year in, year out, but for a few, a year to 3 years, what better way to get started with ClickBank promotions? Get it the easy way, move on to more powerful things later on when you know what you're doing, basically, because it's like riding a bike. You start off as if you're a child, say, with stabilizers on the back wheels, and you pedal along, and bit by bit you get the hang of it, then you get better at it, then you buy a bigger bike. It's a bit like that. ClickBank Income Bot, this is like having stabilizers on your bike, getting started and learning that process, okay? So yeah, if you're starting out and you want to start making commissions from ClickBank, CB Income Bot could well be for you. So thanks for watching my review. Hope you understand what you're going to get with CB Income Bot. And all that remains really is for me to say thanks for watching. Make sure you take care, stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.